we had to come out all the way to the middle of nowhere to SPL test the brand new L7X18. You got it, babe, you got it. With the old Solo X, it did really good numbers. I was able to get 150.5 dBs on 2600-ish watts, and when I had the Warhorse 10K hooked up to it, I got 151.5. The biggest takeaway of that, yes, it did really good, but I could not give out demos at that level. The woofer would just blow up. Probably within 30 to 40 seconds, it would be done. So what I did was, Kicker came out with the brand new Warhorses, the 3.6Ks, and I put one on each coil, so 2 ohms on each amp, and I was getting around 1300 to 2500 watts musically, each amplifier. And having that set up, it was able to withstand that amount of power and be able to demo, but full tilt burp, it only did a 150.5. I did not clamp this yet, but I can hear a significant difference between the two in output. So given that the L7X18 comes in a dual 1 version, I figured that would be the best way to just have all the power out of the amplifiers and give the L7X anything that it wants and then some. And let me tell you, it can handle that power a lot longer. It is night and day the difference between the two of the old Solo X18 and the new Solo X18. Let's fire up this cookie and we're gonna meter it and see the difference between the old Solo X18 versus the new. Let's find out.
118, and this is temporal experiment number 1.
I'm gonna see if it's as loud as the old one on the same power. I'm gonna try to stay around 2500 watts and see if we can get that 150.5. But before we do that, we need to find the peak because I feel like it's a little bit different now. When you do a sweep, do it nice and slow so you get accurate results. Door open. Our peak is definitely at 35 hertz. Now that can change with even more power applied, but let's start there. That was pretty close. I seen the 150.5 on around 2500 watts. I mean, honestly, that's pretty on par with the old Solo X18. I'm fine with that, and this one can handle more power, and we have a lot more power. So let's find out how loud this thing can get. Whoa, a 151.95 on 4,064 watts. That's the loudest score I've ever had in this car. Again, with the old Warhorse, old Solo X18, a 151.5, but I couldn't handle it. Let's see if there's anything else. I want to get a 52, and I didn't do anything with the box. I didn't move it around. It's just where it's at, not bolted down. So that is awesome. Almost that's a 152. I am fine with that.
Oh, man.
Oh, yes, a 152 on the money, 4,024 watts.
Maybe blue, but it's the bomb.
Slid the box up 2 inches. We got the 152. I am done. I'm happy. I'm fine with that. That is freaking awesome. Kicker way to go. And this thing can just handle that power for a while, a long time. And that's 4,000 watts. Ah, man, I am so happy. And let's get back to the studio. Hey, I thought you Holy moly, a 152. That is kind of what I was thinking. But honestly, an awesome score, man. Like, that is loud, and I can demo full tilt like that for, I don't know, 30, 40 seconds, and then let it cool down. It doesn't just blow up. It can handle the power, and we're gonna do more comparisons, sizes, weights, and even a RMS power test on the Solo X18, so make sure you stay tuned and watch all the videos. We just hit 10,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for watching. And by the way, the L7X18 is finally here, and I get to demo it for another 12 years to come. That's how long I had the original Solo X18, and I've been waiting 5 to 6 years for Kicker to release this new Solo X18 so I could retire my original one. So it's just a mix of emotions, but I'm so happy that I can play something that can just keep up with what I want. Thank you guys for watching, and check out my next video. And as always, stay living loud. See you guys on the next one. What we're gonna do is an audio test walking away from this thing and not falling down the damn hill. Power. I can see my house from here. Just kidding. I'm in the middle of nowhere. All right, ready? I'm gonna run up the hill. Go, go, go. Okay, I made it halfway.